How to remove admin from Facebook page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook page. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and you'll find Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Page Setup. Click on Page Setup. In here, click on Page Access, which is the second option. You'll find your admin in here. Click on three dots. After you click on three dots, you'll find Remove Admin option. I have cancelled invite because that person has not accepted my request. You need to simply click on remove and the admin will be removed. This is how to remove admin from Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.